How to apply YouTrip Card. So first things first is download the YouTrip app via the App Store or Google Play Store. Then keep your mobile phone to receive the OTP, which is the one-time PIN to enter after you enter your mobile number. Then you need to input the OTP to proceed, and for a smooth registration, you need to use the same number registered for the K Plus app. Now tab to sign up to register, which is right here to activate your card. Then input your ID number for KYC process with the K Plus system. The system will switch automatically to the K Plus app where you'll need the K Plus app for this step. You also need to download the K Plus app if you do so. So on the K Plus app, review your personal details, delivery address, email address, and choose the bank account that you wish to link with your road trip account. Then some other and terms and conditions. Then, for security reason, your personal details once registered with K Plus cannot be changed in the meantime, which may result in a failed delivery of the YouTrip card and difficulties in activating your YouTrip card via email. So you need to revisit your details to make it most updated before applying the YouTrip. So after that, confirm your personal details, and once complete, you will receive your YouTube card at your delivery address in 5 to 7 days.